What makes a good manager? Now, this is the question. The interviewer is trying to understand your opinion, your understanding, and your perception about the manager. And your answer has to be in those terms. Now, how are you going to answer this question? Sir, an ideal manager is someone who has adequate knowledge about his work. A manager is one who can train, who can guide his subordinates, his colleagues on specific jobs. He should be a good communicator, a real communicator, where he has to understand that if he sends a message across, it has to be understood by that person. And that is a real communication, which doesn't happen all the time. So he has to be a good communicator. He has to consult his colleagues, his team members for specific things, because some people are good at some work. So he should be good at doing that. He should acknowledge the good work done by his people. He should appreciate them from time to time appropriately. He should motivate them, and he should also give them the constructive feedback. He should be honest with the things that he does. He has to be approachable. People can easily approach him for their problems, for their difficulties. And he doesn't have to be a person who bullies his staff. He should be good at delegating the jobs, the works, as per the ability of the people. He should be a good decision maker. And when it comes to productivity, when it comes to quality, when it comes to performance, he has to be firm on that. And when it comes to behavior, when in the organization, he has to be firm about the work, but when he is outside the organization, he should have a friendly relation with his teammates, with his colleagues. He should be good at switching the roles and living it to perfection. And whenever there's a difference of opinion, he has to maintain good working relations. The ego should not clash. Ego should not come in between the people, or he and his teammates, team people. And he should always be enthusiastic, and he should always be disciplined. And these are some of the things which I believe a manager should have. So this is how you are going to answer or customize this answer to this question and give it.